We explore about the subscription. Also, we have explored about the blob storage, storage service. The session 2, in the session 2, so we did some blob operations using Python. Also, we created a one AI service, AI cognitive service. What is the name of the cognitive service? Document intelligence. Document intelligence. So we want to create a use case on top of that. The use case is we want to develop a develop a RAG model by using document intelligence. That is our use case. So we will do that. That is our use case is pending is there. We will do that, but that is our main focus. In order to do that, you need to know about what is RAG, what is LangChain, what is LLM, what is GenAI. So that is also will covered. So we want to develop a RAG model using document intelligence service, and we have using blob storage, also using Azure OpenAI, So at end to end, we can create an application using Fast API or Flask. So we can achieve that. That is one good project. You can keep that as. Now today in the session 3, we will create one more Azure AI service, and that is called computer vision service. Computer vision is completely about the image analysis, image and video analysis. That is about the computer vision. So every session we will use one AI service. We will explore all the AI services, and then we will start working on the projects. So my suggestion is maybe your account is expired. Maybe your account has expired. So my suggestion is form a group with your known friends, and create one Azure account. Share the keys and endpoints. You don't need to give that entire Gmail account, email account and password. You can share the keys and endpoints also fine. Generally in the real time, what happened, right? Client will create the keys and endpoints. The developer use those with using Python. The client might be shared the UI credentials or not. That is his interest. He might be shared, he might not be shared. You no need to require Azure credentials, Azure UI credentials, means portal credentials. You can require just a service, keys and endpoint. That's all. Clear? We can have only keys and endpoints. So ask your friends, WhatsApp you keys and endpoints. So he will WhatsApp you, you can use that once we create it. So let's see about computer vision. Clear, right? Online people, can you please confirm the chat? But make sure that these sessions are very, very important. Very, very important. Don't skip that. Whether have account is there, not account is there, you can able to do that. So let's open our portal.azure.com. 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 Just open that, everyone. Portal.azure.com. Portal.azure.com. If you are not able to open here, you can clear all history and then open again. Portal.azure.com. A small recap, whenever you open the portal.azure.com, first you need to check about your subscription is available or not. That's the main thing. The subscription is available or not. Can you click on your subscription? Click on your subscription. Here the subscription is Azure for students and it is in which status? Active status. Which status it is? Active status. Check your subscription. It is active or expired, that is. Because one free trial subscription means give a free account will give $2,000. Azure for students will give that $100, sorry, $200 and $100. It will not expire. The money will not spend soon. Okay, that's why please share with your friends. Please share with your friends. In 1 month, you can't finish the 16,000 rupees in 1 month. Okay. So here, that is the first thing. And next, you can type that Azure AI services, Azure AI services. Click on the Azure AI services, Azure AI services. Azure AI services. So here many things are there in the Azure AI services. Azure OpenAI is there, AI search is there, computer vision is there, face API, custom vision, speech service, language service, translator, documental intelligence, bot services, anomaly, health insights, personalizer. So many things are there. So last week we completed about the document intelligence. So this week we will see about the computer vision. So just type in the Google Azure computer vision. 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 Just type it. Computer vision is generally deals with you know images and videos. You need to detect the boxes. For example, recently we developed some algorithms called YOLO algorithms in the evening class. And that algorithms I will show you once. So YOLO is one algorithm, is object detection algorithm. The name full form name is called you look only once. So the output is, so we try to predict the dog and what is their image is like this. You see right here. So this is the image. It is try to predict that what is that here? Dog, and it is predicted what? Car. So this is called computer vision. Computer vision is a library. Generally, OpenCV is a library. We are working for the images. So whenever you look about here about the computer vision means it is completely depends on the images or video. images or video. Like suppose you can create like this. Suppose the bird, and not only that, real-time analysis also. Like suppose yesterday we done some real-time analysis. We done some real-time analysis yesterday. In the real-time analysis, not only that, real-time activities, you can do the object counters, you can do the object trackings, you can do the vehicle counters, you can do the items counting in the shopping complex. Suppose in a supermarket, there are so many items are there. You want to take a picture, now how many items are there, it will give the answer. Give the answer. So that kind of real-time analysis also happened in the using the computer vision. Now it will, what it is happening here, it is able to identify the object. So it is a video. Before that we have seen what? Image. A simple image is a video. It is a real-time video. So in the real-time video, there are so many use cases. All the use cases, the model might be give the good accuracy, the model might not be give the good accuracy. So that's why we are believing the Azure services. Because Azure is a big company. Their accuracy is so much high. Here suppose, say, let's see the accuracy. Suppose if I open this here, it is saying that remote. But it's not a remote. It is actually what? Cell phone. It's actually a cell phone. So that accuracy is failing here. Now if you keep here, what is coming here? Sometimes bottle, glass, it's coming bottle, that's shifting, it's changing, shifting that is. Maybe high resolution images will be there, low resolution images will be there. So your standalone models might not be work. Your client was encouraged to use the cloud models only. So that's why it is very, very important, cloud models. Because cloud models means, hello online people, how are you? So cloud models maximum have the good accuracy. Like just now I identified, cat is showing my hand. Whatever, ghost can. Just now I will show you how the machine learning models will be funny. Just now one of our student has sent one image. So I like that image. I want to share with that image how AI models thinks, how a human being will thinks, why we want to worry about the model accuracy at most. Let's look about that. So data set is saying that the 1999 is 1999. 1888 is called 1888. 1717, 1777. What is this answer? As a AI, as a model, what is this answer? 1, 110, 1T, 11. But actually, what is the answer? That is the problem with models. 110, 1T, 1. It is what? 1111. So that's is the problem of the AI things. So what is the data you are providing? That's the way it will come. So that's why good accuracy models always plays a major role. So that's why we are going for the cloud applications. So today we will learn how to use the computer vision. So let's come to here now. Now click on the computer vision thing. Click on the computer vision. Click on the computer vision. Already I have created. Following right, online people. So we are at the Azure AI services. If you know how to create one AI service, you can create many services by your own. We already practiced one thing and today second one. So next time I will not tell you, you need to create. You need to create the service. There the create option is there. create option is there. In the create option, the first one is subscription. Which subscription is available? For me, Azure for Student subscription is available. And next one is resource group. Do you have any resource group is available? Yes, I have Likita AI certification resource group is available. Otherwise, you can create a resource group here also, new one. So I'm clicking on the Likita AI certification. So here region is to yes, keep as it is. And here name. What is your service name you want to keep? Okay, suppose I'm keeping Naresh IT. Naresh IT CV service. CV service. I'm creating. The free tier, this already being used for subscription, there will not appear in the drop down below. So generally, you will have two will be available. One is free tier available, another one is the standard will be available. Already free tier I used. I created yesterday. And now today I am creating what? Standard S1. So because we know right, only one time only free biryani available, not two times. So keep that in mind always. So you can choose the standard S1. Means if you are using multiple things, if you are using your account is used by multiple of your friends, only the first person can able to use free service. Remaining all the person can use what? Paid one only. The paid will be happened for your credited right $100 $200. इसमें cut हो जाएगा. That is the meaning. And next, click on the checkbox lost. Clear my online people. Azure for students. Your subscription name. Ligita AI certification. Region is called HTS. And Naresh IT service. Name should be unique. Don't give that underscores, 1, 2, 3s. For it is free trial, ma'am. But for me, it is Azure for students. My trial or subscription, your subscription might not be same. We discussed, right? Mainly three subscription will be available. One is Azure for students. Another one is, tell me, free tier. And third one is paid one. I am using the student account. You might be using what? Free tier. So what your subscription name will come? Free tier. So certification name, resource group is called Likita AI certification, region, name and pricing, and click on the checkbox and review and create it. Review and create it. When review and create it, please share your keys to your friends. Then I will tell you how to share. Validation failed error details. Let's see what is that error is coming. Basics. Network. Identity. Tags. Review and create. Running validation. Final validation. There's no error. Error details. Somebody use my service name. That is the problem. That's the problem with students, you know. When I hold na, they will type and they will do the click on review button. Nowadays, you are behaving like a bad students. Price tier, you need to drop down, ma. You need to drop down. It will be available. 100% it will be available. Same. You are not understanding. First of all, Chinmay and Srutilaya, Listen very carefully, not only those two. Price tier, every time we have two options. We have two options. One is free F0 and second one is standard S1. When you create first time, we will use free F0. This is I already created. This is I already used. But you are not used before, so you can choose free F0. So once you created today and tomorrow you want to create one more service, now this time F0 will not appear. Now tomorrow you try to create it. At that time only standard S1 will be available. Standard S1 will available. This is clear. Standard S1 means whenever you use the service, whenever we use this standard S1 criteria, standard S1, then money will be deducted from those $100 or $200. $100 or $200, as simple as that. So which one you want to use, that is your wish. So I recommended first time which one you need to use, free F0. Once you use this, next onwards automatically standard S1 only will come. Clear ma? Now Srutilaya, please share your screen. Let's see why it is happening for you. Are you ready to share the screen? Srutilaya? Yes, I am giving that. Your name is not appearing. Capital S, sir. Why your name is not appearing, my attendees? Shrutilaya. Capital S or no, your name is not appearing. LMN OPQRS RS. One minute. Huh? Now share the screen, Masrutilaya. Shivaranjani, Azure will be debited from my Azure credit account. I did not get ma. When you created account, Azure company will give the $100 or $200 to use based on the two accounts. So the money will deducted from there only. not from your debit card. Shrutilaya, are you available, ma? Shrutilaya. Then share your screen, ma. I already make a presenter. What not get connected, ma? You're trying. You don't know how to share. That's the problem. The share button is there. It's enabled or not. So leave it. You can use our WhatsApp group. See, amount will not detected from your bank account. You need to clear that first. Amount will not deducted from your free account. I know you will worry so much when your account will be deducted. Let me tell you a story. Suppose you got a job. You are earning 1 lakh per month. Imagine that. 1 lakh per month means how per day how much? 3,000. 3,000. Then you work for 8 hours, suppose. 8 hours means how much? Huh? 8 hours means per hour. Per hour how much? 500, 460. So now as a bachelor, you are just sleeping in the Amirpet hostels. You are just enjoying with movies. You are wasting so many hours. Each hour cost is 460 rupees. But you are never worry about that. You are never worrying about that. You are wasting 460 rupees. How many 460 rupees you are worrying? Imagine that if 460 rupees are fell down from your pocket, you will feel for 1 hour. 1 hour you will feel. But 1 hour you are not feeling now. That's the reality. Okay. Chalo. So amount will not detected from your account, from your bank account. When you created account itself, again I'm repeating, when you create account, at the time only we have total 3 will be there. Azure for free, Azure for students, Azure account will give $100. And next one is Azure free tier. You'll get $200. And third one is pay as you go. Pay as you go means money will detected from your bank account. This will discuss bank account. Okay, that's why we are recommending first two. Chalo, next. So I'm changing the again name here. Tell me one name. Naresh IT service Session-3. Session-3. So I'm clicking on create now. I'm clicking on create now. Yes, it's created. Thank you, my students. This time you are not using my name. Okay. Somebody culprit is there in our class. So deployed. When you deployed, go to resource. Then automatically you can able to see here Naresh IT service Session-3. Naresh IT service Session-3. Now you can share your keys and endpoints to your friend. Go to keys and endpoint section. Go to keys and endpoint section. చెప్పు స్వామి ఏం లేదా go to keys and endpoint section. Under the resource management, we have always, this is the procedure only. When you created any service, you have keys and endpoint will be available. Using Python code, we can access these keys so that we can access the service. So that is the procedure. Clear? So now show keys. Now this is the key 1, key 2, endpoint. These 4 you can share you to your friend. Okay, whoever requested you, share to them. They also can able to run the code. Clear, right? Online students? Yeah. Now open the Jupyter notebook. So we created the account. So we created a account. So we created account. We created account. We created a service actually. We created a service, you can say. Service. And we have keys and endpoint with us. So 2 things. Let's see now. Open the Jupyter notebooks. So in order to use the Azure AI service, we need to install a package called Azure AI Vision Image Analysis. Pip install Azure AI Vision Image Analysis. We'll upload the book at the end of the day in the Google Classroom. What error you are getting, Shubham? Pip install Azure AI Vision Image Analysis. So I'm pasting in the chat. That only validation failed. There is exactly the reason will be appear. We click on the error. We click on the error. There's exactly a reason will be appear. What is that reason? You want to share the screen? Meanwhile, you can type it. Pip install. Pip install Azure AI service. You can do that. Type it this. Pip install Azure AI Vision Image Analysis. Type it. Installing 1 minute. We'll talk with Shubham. File will not share, ma. File will share after the class. You type it. I already share now. You know Python, right? We learned Python in the class. File will not share here. File will share in the classroom only. Because when I upload the file now, other people are joined our Google Classroom. That's the problem. Shubham. Next time onwards, I will upload before only. No, I'm not sharing. I'm giving the host to the Shubham. He got the error, no? Shubham, you can share the screen now. No, it went to another person. Srini. It is very tough. It is. Shubham Patnaik, please share the screen. Shubham Patnaik, are you available? Shubham now is a co-host. I'm making him as a presenter now. Come on, Shubham. Open it. You are the presenter now. Yeah. Maximize it. Zoom it. This error you need to understand, ma. That's why I asked to Shubham to share the screen. There's a cross mark on which field? Basics. So you need to go to basics first. Now scroll down. Scroll down. Scroll down. Scroll down. Scroll down. Where it is there? Then Shubham will understand, no? Then review and create it. That's all. That is very easy. It is very easy. So everything will be in your hands only. You can see that. Create it. Now make me as presenter. Yeah, no need. I can make that. Yeah. Now look at the board. Pip install Azure AI Vision Image Analysis. Open Anaconda prompt. Run here. Pip install Azure AI Vision Image Analysis. Requirement is already satisfied. Very good. Very good. Import the packages now. Import OS. Type in front of me. If you have any error, talk to me. Import OS. Azure dot. Type in front of me. If you have any error, talk to me. From Azure dot AI dot Vision dot Image Analysis. I want to see your type skills today. Still you are behaving like beginners or something you learned. Okay. Because Python is completed for you. And so many days are happened. No? Let's see your typing skills. Import OS from Azure dot AI dot Vision. You can use the tab option. A good student can use what? Tab. You are a good student or not? Then use the tab. Tab is not working. So bad. You no need to remember all these lines. No one will remember all the Azure, all the GCP, all the AWS, all the LLM, all the GenAI, all the LangChain. Your lifespan will not enough, no? That is from Azure.ai Vision dot Image Analysis. Import capital AI. We already know, right? Maximum methods all with capital letters only, right? Every word is capital. I given the trick to you, like standard scalar. Min max scalar. Like every word is what? Capital only. Image analysis client. From Azure.ai.vision, image analysis.models, import visual features. Very good, Lakshmi. From Azure.co.credentials, import Azure key credential. Learn Azure certifications. There are so many people are ready to pay so much amount if you teach the Azure. So much money. Per hour, just say one number. Minimum. That is minimum. Minimum that is. ఎర్రర్స్ క్లియర్ చేసే టాలెంట్ ఉండాలి, అది లేకపోతే కథం జిందగీ. Who can clarify the errors? Though no knows the concept and they only can clarify the errors. Done. Next. Second part, keys and endpoint. I'm moving next, ma. Next, keys and endpoint. Endpoint, you know where you need to get. Keys also you know where you need to get. Endpoint equal to key equal to. Endpoint equal to key equal to. It's already available. Where it's available? Very good. Go to here, key and endpoint. Key and endpoint. Key and endpoint. All the endpoints almost with your resource, with your service name only. All the endpoints. If you observe last one also, it is your service name only. NareshIT CV is my service name. So endpoint and key. Now, offline people open your Google Classroom. There is a one link I provided. Online people is lucky people, I can provide to them too within the chat. No? Yeah. Offline students in your Google Classroom, it is there. You can paste here. There's one image will be there. That image will come. So the image is there. This image will come. Share in the WhatsApp group, na? Share it in the across in the WhatsApp groups. Share in the WhatsApp groups. The image, save images. Save image. If you want to save it, you can save it. You're not getting endpoint means the endpoint is not there, you are not able to see. Is service created, ma Dhanasri? Is service is created. Then you need to go to the keys and endpoint. You can open any image, not only this image. Any image you can open it. Any image. Dhanasri? Here, resource management. Resource management. So let's understand the image. Maybe you downloaded with the name of presentation. Have you downloaded? Have you saved the image? Save the image. Right click karo. Save as will come. Save is the where is the Python location is shared. This you know very well. The Python notebook, the image notebook should be in the same location so that you can read only the name of the image. This we discussed many times. Just pillow package ma from pill import image. From pill import image. Save your image. Save your image. Save your image and keep at Python location so that we can use only image file name. Image file name. Dhanasri, what's the status now? From pillow. Package name is what ma? Pillow. Are you ready to share the screen? Dhanasri. Which error you are getting ma? Harish. No module name Azure. Have you installed or not Azure? Harish. Install this. You did install this. You are missing. How you guys missed? Dhanasri, please share your screen. I am giving the presentation. Presenter thing. Dhanasri Allavarapu. Why this is coming like this? Share your screen, Dhanasri. Share your screen. Then what happened? You are seeing now. What is the problem? Ma? Zoom in. Endpoint. Go back. Computer vision. Click on the computer vision. Computer in the down. This is called endpoint. No, ma, never ever do like that, okay? Dhanasri. There's a copy symbol is there, no? First of all, how did you got this? I think you enrolled as the wrong way. In the Azure AI services, go to Azure AI services, click on the Azure AI services. Search it, search the Azure AI services. Search that. Search it, ma. Search box. Not there, ma. Wait, don't be tense. There. Azure AI services. Search it. Now look at the board. You need to go to the computer vision service. You need to go to the computer vision service. Okay, na? This service you need to create it. You are created in Azure AI services. That is wrong. Create a service here. Now you'll get the keys and endpoint. Okay. Chalo. Thanks. Chalo, next. So everyone able to see the image? I'm moving next, ma. Next, we need to set up the client, ma. Which client? You do remember for the blob storage, blob service client? Do you remember that? Same way for image analysis client. What is the client? Image analysis client. So image analysis client, it will take the endpoint and it will take the credential. Credential nothing but your key. Credential nothing but your key. So it will take two things, ma. Don't do spelling mistakes. Image analysis client. Image analysis client. Endpoint equal to endpoint. Credential equal to Azure key credential, and this is a client. Endpoint. I need to run these two. Yeah, client is ready. Don't do spelling mistake. You are the good student. Remember that. Image analysis client. Endpoint is equal to endpoint. Yes. Your key. You already have the key variable, right? Same key. Same key. Same key. Clear, right? Client is ready. Amit, ready, client? Abhi, client ready? Chinna, client ready? Not ready. Very good. This trainings only for you only, ma. So never ever skip that. Never ever skip that. You did not run this at all. See, everything empty, empty. Python, so what does this mean? Nothing but, you tell me. No error. Mrutyunjay, Nagesh, Ashish done. Next. Because you did not save this. Have you saved? Show me where it is saved. This is which location? Documents. Where is your file? Currently Python file is in which location? Here, this you are running, no? You are running the executed Python code, right? And this is which location is available? This location is different location. We know, right? If you want to use the only name, both image and Python file should be at same location. Okay? Provide that full path. Invalid syntax. From. This is from. Where is this image? Have you saved this image? Image download किया? Not download करना ना? Where is the Google Classroom? Google Classroom. This image. Where your Python file is there? Documents. NareshIT, कौन NareshIT? Here? ऐसे अभी रन करो. चलो next. This is very very important. This is very very important, and this is a task for you for the next week. Analyze from URL. Your client dot. Look at the board. Client dot. Client is created. Client is created. Dot. Analyze from URL. Analyze from URL means we require a URL. We require a public URL which has the image. I shared that HTTP link, right? That is the public URL. Anyone can open that image. So that kind of URL we required. So now we are taking that public URL, but your job is you need to upload the image in the blob storage. From the blob storage, you need to take the URL. Getting a last session we have seen, right? Last session, online people, image from URL means it is required a image URL, public URL we required, public URL, not our local image, not our local image. Clear? Not our local image. We required pakka with HTTP tag. So now we will use public URL. Now we will use public URL. But what is your task? Tell me. Upload the image in Azure Blob Storage and get with Python code, not manually, with Python code. Imagine that client will upload all the images where? Blob. You are the Python developer, so you need to write a Python code to pick that. So that is your task. Clear, right? Chalo. Now we will use public URL, but tomorrow you need to upload an image in the blob using Python code. We need to get that blob URL and we'll pass in client dot analyze from URL. Now pass it, do it. Client dot analyze from URL. This link is already shared with you. It is available in the Google Classroom. Online people, this link is already shared. The image path is already shared. What does this mean, Ash? Which Ash ma Damodar? Ash means comment only, na? Why you want that? In the Python, why will do Ash? For comment only. For writing only, commenting only, na? I'm not getting your question. Why you are writing Ash means for commenting only we'll use Ash. Synchronously blocking the call. Why you are running this? Don't run this. This is a comment, no? Write this code. Client dot analyze from URL HTTP. Visual features, very important. Visual features. Captions means it will give the image caption. Caption means it will give the image caption. Read means what are the information is there, it will read the information. Okay, now it will extract the English characters, means read. Caption means it will provide the caption to the image. To provide the caption. Image caption problem. Provide the caption to the image. Read means read the text. Extract the text. Python is very important, because you should not work with the UIs. As a developer, you should develop all this with using Python code. You go any course, Python is very important. So that's why we learn Python almost 40 days. Remember that. So you are becoming a good Python developers. Practice everyday Python. Practice everyday Python. So comment it. Image URL is the one variable. Visual features in the list. Gender neutral caption. True. Gender neutral caption true. Because we don't want to do any gender discrimination here. That's why we are keeping that true. Gender is neutral for us. Now result. Click on the results. You'll be able to see results like this. You'll be able to see results like this. How many are able to see? Online students. What happened, my girls? No one is raising hand. Only boys are raising hands. Kusuma, ఏమైంది? వస్తలే ఆన్సర్. Siri, Komal. Same image, same result. Do you remember? We played some games in the dictionary list strings. Oh, Nagpur, mangoes, mango, Shivaji, Shivaji, Shambhaji. Do you remember? Same. That's why I thought at the time. This is a big test. How can you analyze that? That is the way you need to do. Analyze skills. Analyze the skills. Here, what first it look like what? Dictionary. So result dot keys karo. Take a new line. Result dot keys. Result dot keys. Type karo. Tell me how many keys are available. Abhi now visual features is not there. You return 4. First one कौन है? Type करो. Result square bracket model version. You know na Python now. Play it. Play for 5 minutes. Online students, play it. That's why I thought on the day. These are real-time use cases. Now you are getting at least exposure. Why we learned at the time. Caption result is there na? On the output, caption result. One more key is called caption result. Oh, read karo. Unexpected keyword. Gender neutral, not general ma. Gender, Gangadeep. Gender. Gender. Not a general compartment. Gender. वो भी आउटपुट है कैप्शन. कैप्शन क्या लिखना? कैप्शन क्या है? A person pointing at a screen. See how beautiful it is working. Caption. Image caption. Now try today. Send some images. Ask the caption. Okay. This completed, right? Play it. Result dot keys. Modal version. Caption results. Metadata. Read result. Result caption result. What is ma? A person pointing at a screen. Now result caption. This is also a dictionary again. It is also a dictionary. Again square bracket. Dot text. Then a person pointing at a screen. A person pointing at a screen. Look at the board now. Look at the board. Imagine that you are doing a image caption project. Imagine that you are doing like this. Your client is asking to create a UI. Create a UI. Here some subtasks are there here. The UI is like this. Look at the board ma. You need to develop this project. The first option is Here, develop the, upload the image here. What is there? Upload the image option will be there. And here, now here, image caption utils. Here, bounding box utils. Here, image description utils. Like the small functions we are creating. Now user will upload a image. When you click on the button, upload button, when your user will upload the button, when user will upload the button, then the image will be uploaded here. What is our famous image? Tell me, what is our famous image? Suppose I am uploading the car. Uploading what? Car image. We are uploading a car. I upload a car image here. Upload a car. Now there is a person is sitting on this. There is a person is sitting on this. A person is standing on this. Now you are upload this image. This is what is the caption of this? A person on the car. Whenever you click on the caption button, then that caption should display. The caption should display. Whenever you click on the bounding box button, the bounding box should display. Just now I showed you, it is a car, it is a person. Like the bounding box should display. Whenever you click on the any description, now prompt engineering, you can type something, then it will give the answer. That is called entire projects. Multiple use cases. Multiple use cases. Getting so that is the way you need to develop it. Using Flask API or Streamlit or Fast API. So we need to understand the Python code. You need to connect like this. So this is the way ultimately you need to develop the good projects. That is, always keep that in mind. Now come here. Caption is coming like this. Next, metadata. What the metadata is giving? How much is the width? How much is the height? Next, read result. Read result is giving what? Blocks. Only one blocks is there, but blocks is in what? Now keep that square bracket block. Blocks. Play drill, play the drill. Now what is coming, First text 9:35 a.m. What is coming, 9:35 a.m. In the image, there is a 9:35 a.m. is there. Check it, your image. On the image, a text is there. What is there? 9:35 a.m. is there. So it is extracting all the text. It is extracting all the text. Now scroll down. So here you see here. Text is there, 9:35 a.m. 9:35 a.m. How many words are there? 9:35 is one word. A.m. is the another word. That's why 9:35 is coming. A.m. is coming. Next one is what? Conference room 1545. So how many words are there? 3. That's why conference is one, room is another one, 1545 is another one. So it is extracting entire text also. It is extracting word also. Each and everything it is extracting. How can I get only the first one? It is a list is there. Kya karna? Square bracket 0 karna. Because we are good at Python, square bracket 0. Next, what is this? Dictionary. Kya karna? Square bracket lines karna. Next is what there? List. Kya karna? 0 karna. 0 hai to what is coming? First text coming. Now if you give one, what will come? Second text will come. Second text will come. Do it. First text. उसमें first text में dot text है तो क्या होता? 9:35 a.m. is coming. Can I do here change here instead of 0? Can I do 1 here? What will come? Conference room come. Can I change into here 2 hai to what will come? 555, 1, 2, 3 will come. All the text will come line by line, line by line. So that's why we did the drill. Mangoes, Nagpur, Shembaji, Shivaji, like all the things, na? Like that on the day. So that's the real-time use cases. So do the drill. Do the drill. Understand the output. Analyze the operation not available in F0. This is F0 account only, ma. It is F0 account only. Not analyze, analyze from URL. Not analyze. Exactly run this. This is F0 account only. F0 account only. What are it showing, ma? So this is about the computer vision use case. So your task is what? Upload the image in the blob, and you need to create a, if you are interested, create a Flask API like this. Create a project like this. At least upload the image, get the caption. Get the caption. Create a application, upload the image, and get the caption. At least evening batch people, screening batch people can do. Remaining batch people, you hold on it. We are not yet covered Flask now. When you covered in the class, you also able to do. That is. So, but at least 7 p.m. batch people and screening batch people, you need to do that. You need to upload the image, you need to get the output. That you need to do. Chalo. I hope you enjoy the session. Thank you. Thank you so much. Now it's time to discuss the doubts. If you have any doubts, you can stay. Otherwise, you can leave the class. Thank you. Thank you so much. See you the next week. Yeah. Now who have doubts? You can stay. Remaining people can leave. Okay. We'll take 2 minutes time. Those who have doubts. And this video is available in the YouTube. Yeah, who want to share the screen? Yeah, we'll share in the WhatsApp group. Shubham, did you share your to anyone? Your account? Rashid Khan, please share your screen. Gareth. Ask him no once. You which page, where you want? Where you want? Then here only. Rashid Khan, share your screen. Is working? Very good. Yeah. Who else want to share the screen? You have, you know, right? You are. You want to share Priyanka? Share it. Share it, ma. Go down. Wait. Yeah, F0 is not working for you. Go up. You need to create with standard. That only Shubham is saying. You created a account, right? Now create with a standard account. In the Azure portal.azure.com. The portal.azure.com. You created account. Can you overview? Go to overview. Go to overview. Now you need to create one more account. This time standard account you need to create it. You created custom vision, ma. That's the problem, not computer vision. Oh my God. Can you go to the AI services? How can you done this mistake? Click on the AI service, search for AI services. Search box, Azure AI services. Azure AI services. You created a custom. I ask you to create a computer vision. Can you go to the computer vision? See, Shubham, I think same time something also happened to you. You need to create a computer vision, ma. I told you, right? CV, computer vision. You did a mistake. Computer vision. Okay, Nama? Yeah, I will come to you also, Shubham. Chalo ma. Priyanka, create a computer vision and do it. Shubham, share the screen. Seven PM only. Share your screen, Shubham. పెట్టు వస్తే చూద్దాం. పెట్టు వస్తే చూద్దాం. వాళ్ళు సెలెక్ట్ చేస్తే వాళ్ళు అన్నీ యూజ్ చేస్తారు కదా. వాళ్ళు సెలెక్ట్ చేస్తే ముందైతే అటెండ్ అవుదాం, తర్వాత చూద్దాం. అర్థమైందా? అర్థమైందమ్మా. ఫస్ట్ సెలెక్ట్ చేయని వాళ్ళు మనం అప్లై చేసినాక సెలెక్ట్ చేస్తారు కదా. సెలెక్ట్ చేసినాక మనం సెలెక్ట్ అవుతాం కదా, అప్పుడు డిస్కస్ చేయొచ్చు. అవి ఇప్పుడు టూ ఎర్లీ. ఇప్పుడు నీ డౌట్ ఏముంటుంది, వాళ్ళు సెలెక్ట్ చేస్తారా చేయరా అని. చేస్తే పోదాం, చేయకుంటలేదు. మ్యాక్సిమం చేయమ్మా. గో అప్, గో అప్. ఓపెన్ యువర్ Azure portal.azure.com. షో మీ దట్ ఆల్ ద కీస్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రిప్షన్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. చెప్పు. అదే ఇప్పుడు వాళ్ళు 23, 24 అన్నారు కదా, వాళ్ళు అయితే నీ సెలెక్ట్ చేయరు. సెలెక్ట్ చేస్తే వెళ్ళి అటెండ్గా. అది నేను రికార్డు వీడియో తీసుకొని ఇదే క్లాస్. లింక్డేనా? అంటే చెప్తా అయితే, మండే చెప్తా, మండే చెప్తా ఖచ్చితంగా. లేదా మెసేజ్ చేయి, వాట్సాప్ మెసేజ్ చేయి చెప్తా. వాట్ హ్యాపెన్ మా శుభం? మార్నింగ్ క్లాస్లో పైథాన్ అయిపోయినాయి, అన్నీ అయిపోయినాయి. పైథాన్ డీటెయిల్స్ చేయాలి. పైథాన్ చేయాలి. పైథాన్ స్ట్రాంగ్ అయితేనే మిగతా స్ట్రాంగ్ అవుతాయి. చేయాలి. ఇది ల్యాబ్కి వచ్చి ఏం చేయాలి. చేసాడు. నీ రెజ్యూమ్ అసలు ఉందా ఏమన్నా నీకు? ఓకే అండి. రెజ్యూమ్ ఏం లేదు నీకు, ఒక ఫార్మాట్ పంపిస్తారు రెజ్యూమ్, దానిలో మనం ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ యాడ్ చేస్తారు సరిపోతుంది. అక్కడ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఎడిట్ చేయండి, డౌన్లోడ్ చేసి అది నాకు పంపు ఒకసారి చూస్తాను. టాస్క్ నేను నాకు చెప్తే నేను ఇచ్చాను కదా కోడ్ మొత్తం. లిఖిత చేసింది, లిఖితాన్ని కనుక్కొని ఆమె ఎలా చేసిందో కోడ్స్ తీసుకొని అప్లోడ్ చేసేది, సర్టిఫికేట్ ఇస్తారు. వాట్సాప్ చేయి, నెంబర్ లేదా? నేను నా పేరు చెప్పు, సార్ నేను కరెక్ట్ ఇవ్వమన్నాడు, ఇస్తాయి. కోడ్ నువ్వు డైరెక్ట్ ఇప్పుడైతే సర్టిఫికేట్ తెచ్చుకో, తర్వాత నువ్వు ఓన్గా చేసే.
అందుకే మాకు ఇప్పుడు అటెండ్ కావాలి, అటెండ్ అయితేనే తెలుస్తుంది కదా. అవ్వలేదనే చెప్పిస్తాను, అయినాక మాకెందుకు రా. నువ్వు ఇంటి దగ్గర కొంచెం ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకొని వచ్చి ఇక్కడ చేస్తే తర్వాత నీకు ఎలా చేయాలనేది మేము డిసైడ్ చేస్తాం. అలా నువ్వు అటెండ్ కాకుంటే ఇప్పుడు ఇదే భయం, రేపు అక్కడ జాబ్ దగ్గర పోతుంది కదా. చేయాలి, మీరు అటెండ్ కాలేదనే చెప్పిస్తాను. ఓకేనా?
Show me the computer vision, ma. Shubham.
2018 కదా.
Yeah, open that Shiva Vision. Click on that. Go to the keys. Show keys. Now go to your code. Go show me endpoint. Wait. See, there's a document intelligence you are providing. Are you seeing endpoint? That only. I told now something mistake you are doing. Your endpoint is I am seeing Shiva document intelligence, but we are doing computer vision service. Did you get it? Completely you provided the document intelligence service and keys, and you are thinking that you are providing the computer vision keys, but you did not. Getting? Shubham? Check the keys and endpoint. Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. Shalom. Thank you. Thank you so much. See you the next week.